Welcome back. In this video I have a very nice monitor, Lenovo all-in-one T1024 Gen I think it is a Gen 4 model all-in-one monitor. It's very nice. It's on a height adjustable stand, and it has a adjust PC as well inside of this, as you can see. So I'll show you how you can open this part and how to remove this stand. In order to remove this plate, you just simply just lift up this button and that will release the stand. So if you want to open this part, just press and this lid will get open and you'll have access for your Wi-Fi. And to remove the PC, you just need to unscrew from this part and then PC will come out easily. So this is how you operate your T1024 Gen 4 monitor.